I see the relevance of the travel retail industry at a tipping point, whereby the ESG agenda must include clearly defined people priorities for both a more sophisticated consumer and a more complex labor market. The campaign for elevating travel retail careers is founded on a baseline of equity and equality, diversity and inclusion. The campaign inspires the employment paradigm away from a jobs mindset and decidedly towards a careers mindset by modernizing the human resources framework and by preparing for a new era in retail. My name is Heidi Van Roon. I'm the founder and the president for the Spark Group of companies, and we have committed to best practices in recruitment and staffing in airports for over 10 years. With one message at a time and with many messages over time, we are campaigning that the workforce design needs to align labor market dynamics with consumer expectations. Because one thing is certain in our industry, the USP of travel retail has always and will always include a meaningful and authentic human-to-human connection. Thank you.